Hi guys, welcome to live trading video, and today is August 10, 2021. It has been very long time that we have not done any live trading video, and there have been many requests from my followers asking for the live trading video. So today I am going to do one more live trading video either in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I am going to explain you about the how I take the trades, where I take the trades, where I keep my stop loss, where I keep my profit targets. Logic behind my every trade will be discussed in today's live trading video. As normally I do it before market opens, I start with the pre-market analysis, and based on the previous day price action, based on previous sessions, I explain where is the support, where is the resistance, which are the important levels I look for. Everything will be discussed in the live trading video, and same time also I'll show you my live MTM so that you will come to know my entry price, target, stop loss. Everything will be shared in today's live trading video. So let us look at the yesterday's price action in Nifty to start with. Yesterday it was a kind of reversal day in Nifty. First candle opened with a bullish candle, went almost near the previous day high, reversed and again bounced, and finally market closed here. Finally Nifty closed here. So where is the Nifty open? Nifty open here. Where is the Nifty close? Nifty close here. If you look at the both Nifty open and Nifty close, hardly there is much difference, right? So only this much difference. Even though it made a big movement, but you have to see open and close. Open and where it opened and where it closed. So that will give you an understanding about how CPR will be on 10th of August. So 10th of August, we are likely to see narrow CPR or average CPR. It can be narrow or average, but it can't be wide because open and close almost same, right? So mostly according to me, it will be narrow or average CPR. Anyway, let us wait for market to open and then we'll see it. Now let us see where is the important level. Important levels, you can see this is the important level. Previous day high is the important level. Previous day high is here. Previous day low is here. Can you see why I marked that black horizontal line here? There are two levels I marked it, right? One is this black, another is this black. Let us see what is that line. Let's go to the high time frame. Let's go to the high time frame, and the mark which you can see on my chart, that is the gap. This is the gap border. Can you see this is the gap and this is the gap? Okay, so those black horizontal lines are nothing but gap borders. So gap borders also one of the important support and resistance on your chart, which you should mark, where price tend to take support near that level most of the time. You can see that this was the gap border, and after 2 days, that is yesterday, again Nifty took the support exactly at the gap border. And then what happened after taking the gap border? You can see that from the gap border, it made a big bounce, right? Look at this. There is no pivot, nothing. Pivot was here. Still it bounced because there was a gap border here. Okay, another gap border here. So that is why gap borders also important levels on your chart. Now coming to the higher time frame, you can see that we are near the all-time high in Nifty. This is the all-time high, right? Around 16,350, 400, somewhere that this is the all-time high. Yesterday we closed here. So we are going near the all-time high, right? So this is your important resistance. Okay, this important resistance. If it breaks that resistance, then it's a breakout. Breakout from the all-time high. Okay, so it's too early to say now whether that breakout happens today or when it happens. But still, you have to mark that level. You should keep that level in the mind that there is an important level which is all-time high, and you have to mark that level. So that is what I'm marking here. You can see that that red line is the swing high. That red line is the important levels for me. So overall for me on Nifty, what are the important levels? Nifty, you can see that there is a previous day high, there is a swing high, there is a previous day low, there is a gap border. And let us see where CPR happens. So these are the important level 1, 2, 3, 4 and CPR. This is the analysis for Nifty. Okay, when I checked SGX Nifty last time, it was minus 22 points. SGX Nifty was trading minus 22. That means we may not see a gap up above the previous day high, or we may not see a big gap down. We may see a flat opening near to previous day close. That is what Nifty is. Now let us go to the Bank Nifty and let us see what Bank Nifty chart is saying us. Okay, Bank Nifty, let us mark the previous day high and mark the previous day low. Anything else? No, you can't see anything. Okay, previous day lows here. Let us go to high time frame and let us see, can we see anything else? Now let's go to high time frame and let us see if can we see anything else. Yeah, you can see this is the swing high. Same thing like how I was saying in Bank Nifty, even Bank Nifty also have a swing high, right? That is the swing high. And we are not at the time high in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty all time high was here in the month of somewhere mid-February. This is the all time high. Unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty is not at the all time high, but still there is a resistance. This 4th August high is the resistance, which is the swing high. So if it has to go up, then it has to break that level. So that's it about the analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So market will open in another around 10 minutes. So once market opens, let us start with the live analysis of the charts. Okay, guys, as you can see that market has opened, it's 9:15 now. And you can see that Nifty opened with a first candle here. And as I said, it's a narrow CPR. CPR is narrow today. And opening somewhere flat. So I thought opening will be below previous day close, but opening is somewhere near to previous day close only. It's kind of flat opening and it's coming near the previous day high and near the daily pivot. So that is what Nifty. And what about the Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also you can see that opened with a big green candle, bullish candle, and it's a average CPR. So Bank Nifty CPR is here and the Nifty CPR is here. And Bank Nifty kind of average to white CPR. Now coming to Bank Nifty, it may look very bullish, right? It looks very bullish because of the look at the candle size. Such a huge bullish candle. So entering here, you can see that there is a previous day high resistance and then there is a swing high resistance. Where you will keep your stop loss? Will you enter here? You should keep your stop loss at least below the central pivot. If not below the CPR, at least below the central pivot. Look at your stop loss. Look how big is your stop loss. And where is the profit target? Profit target, already it is near the resistance. There is another resistance. So this is a poor risk reward trade. If the profit target hits, you will get smaller profit. If stop loss hits, you will take a bigger loss. So it's not a good risk reward trade. Let's go to my broker, that is Zerodha, and let us see. So you can see that I have around 21 lakh rupees in my trading account. And as I say that we should always risk only 1% of your capital, not more than that. So that is what is the 1% of 20 lakhs? 1% of 20 lakhs is around 20,000, right? So my risk will be only 20,000 in this trade. Okay, so that is what 1% of my capital. 1%, that is if I take any trade, I will take the trade and I'll risk only 20,000. That is 1% of my capital. Nifty is taking resistance at the previous day high, which happens to be supply zone. And now it is trying to break out. Even though it breaks out, there is another resistance. And the resistance is this. That is the swing high. Still it is facing resistance near the previous day high. Now this candle trying to break that level. Even it breaks that level, there is another resistance. It is facing the resistance at the daily pivot plus previous day high. And it's coming near the all-time high, right? Which is the all-time high. We have seen it from the daily time frame. That is the 5th August high. So I am waiting for 5th August high to be broken. Nifty, you can see that it started facing resistance at the previous day high and it is coming back now. So this is one of the support for the Nifty, that is the 20 EMA. But even though I take the long trade near the 20 EMA, then still there is a resistance. But I am waiting for this level to be broken. The reason why I am looking for this level to be broken, because there is a consolidation, right? This is called consolidation. This is called consolidation. Breakout after consolidation, generally high probability trades. This is the consolidation. Okay. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you can see that this is not a consolidation. This is a parabolic breakout, still facing the resistance. So what I'm doing is I'm going to wait for some time until Nifty breaks the previous day high. Until Nifty breaks this resistance, I'll not go long. Okay, guys, now you can see that breakout happened in Nifty and breakout happened in Bank Nifty both. So I'm thinking of taking the long position in Nifty now. So I'm looking for some retracement. So I'm more comfortable to take position in Nifty, but the thing is that Nifty is at the resistance, but Bank Nifty already resistance broken. So I'm waiting for some retracement before going long in Nifty. I'm waiting for some time before I'll go long. Okay, you can see that it's trying to break the swing high, but still candle is not closed. Still, I not taken any position. I wanted some retracement, but the retracement didn't come. So I still not taken the position. So I'm just waiting. So I'm waiting for some time. I'm not interested to go long now because it's too away from 20 EMA. So I'm waiting for some retracement to go long. Okay, guys, you can see that it was not a breakout. Look at the candle wicks. Look at the candle wicks. It's not a breakout. Okay. So that's what I mean to say that candle if closes, then only breakout. And another important lesson, wait for candle close. Otherwise, that candle was looking like a big breakout candle, right? So that is what you do the mistake of going long without even waiting for the candle close. Had you gone long on that candle, then look at this. It is reversing now, right? That's why always wait for candle close. Until candle closes, it's not a long trade. Now it is coming to the level where breakout happened. So here it might take support near that level where breakout happened. Okay, the black horizontal line where I marked, that is where you can go long if you want. Let us see now whether it takes support near that breakout line or it reverses. So this is the last level of support. If this breaks this level, then it is a bearish. Then it's not a retracement, it's a crash. It's a reversal. So this level you need to watch closely. This entire level doesn't hold, then it's a crash. Okay, next candle. If the next candle is a bullish candle, closes above that level, it makes this kind of candle, I'll take my long trade. I'll take a long trade. If the next candle closes above that level where breakout happened and makes a bullish candle, I'll take a long trade based on 20 EMA retracement. Based on 20 EMA retracement, I'll take a long trade. Because it is taking support near the 20 EMA retracement, then this level can act as a support where breakout happened. On the basis of support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. So it was resistance earlier, right? Once it is broken, now it's a support. So I'm waiting for this candle. If this candle is bullish, green candle, I'm going long. Okay, guys, I've gone long here. You can see my position. You can see that I've gone long on, see the position. I've gone long on Nifty August future. If you want to see my order book, you can see the order book. I went long on 1000 units, that is 20 units at the market price. And my average price was 16,331. And I'm in small green now. Okay, guys, just to brief you about the trade, where was the entry, where was the exit. So you can see from the order book, trade was taken around 25 minutes back. Around here trade was taken. Entry was taken near the support of 20 EMA and previous day high, as well as supply zone. That was the supply zone also where it was facing resistance. I did not go long here because I said candle is too big. When candle becomes too big, stop loss also becomes big. My entry would have become here. Stop loss would have been here. All right. And also there was another resistance. So I wanted to see whether that resistance holds or it gets broken. And you can see that resistance was broken, not broken, it faced resistance and then was a big red candle. And then it started taking support 20 EMA and then I went long somewhere here. So that is what I went long on retracement near the support and that gave me smaller stop loss. My entry was here. my stop loss was here below the 20 EM. Okay, my take profit would be either back to day's high or near the next pivot or 2R. You know that I risk 20,000 in this trade. So 2R of 20,000, how much? 40,000. So that is what I'm aiming in this trade. So my risk is 20,000. My risk is 20,000 rupees. I told you that my capital is 20 lakh rupees, right? My capital is 20 lakh rupees, which I shown you earlier. 1% of 20 lakhs is 20,000 rupees. So that is what I risk in this trade. And you can see that already my profit went to 14,000, 15,000. I still didn't book my profit because 1:2 risk reward mean risk is 20,000. Profit should be how much? If risk is 20,000, how much should be my take profit? 40,000. So I will either wait for my stop loss to hit or my profit target to come. Either I'll wait for this or this. Even though my profit in 13,000, 15,000, still I not book my profit because I have to follow risk reward. I am not bothered about profit or loss. I will follow my system. I follow risk reward. I will not bring my emotion. I will not think that, oh, already I'm in profit of 40,000, 15,000. So let me book my profit. No, I don't do this. If you are a professional trader, if you want to trade as per the system, as per the risk management, then you should follow risk reward. Whatever your risk, wait till you get the double of that reward or wait until your stop loss is. That is how trading is done. Trading is not done by bringing your emotion in between. So now you can see that it is facing resistance where it reversed earlier. So this is like a make or break. If it breaks, then it can go up to the next pivot. Okay, otherwise it may reverse. If it reverses, I'll take my stop loss. Okay, guys, coming back to the Nifty chart, you can see that this is the important support. Okay, this is the important support. You can see that because breakout happened from this level and then it came back, took the support here. Second time took the support. Third time took the support. So still you can see that my MTM was almost 20,000. It's in the minus now. Still I have not taken my stop loss. Okay, still I have not taken my stop loss because still I'm not wrong. Once it breaks this level, makes red candle, I'll book my stop loss. Until then, I'm still in that trade. Another thing is that you can see that it went all the way till here and it reversed all the way till here. It reversed till here. Still my stop loss not hit. Reason being I entered late, right? I entered here. Had I entered here at the breakout somewhere here, thinking that it's a breakout, look at this. Already my stop loss would have hit. So that is why important that enter late. Enter at a place where your stop loss is smaller. Since I entered late, even though it retraced almost till here, still I'm in the trade, right? Now let us wait and see whether finally it goes like this or it goes like this. Okay, guys, now you can see that almost it is coming near my stop loss. If this breaks the level of this entire support, I am out. I'll take my stop loss. I'll close my trade. Okay, you can see that I closed my trade. I took my stop loss and I'm out. So profitable trade turned into losing trade. So that's okay. But I followed risk reward, right? So my entry was here. Entry was somewhere here. It went all the way till here. But I did not book my profit because I was not into 2R. And once it reversed, I did not take my stop loss until this level was broken. I taken my stop loss only after that level was broken. Why? Because I knew that this is the support which was holding Nifty till then. And if it doesn't hold, then I'll take my stop loss. And I book my stop loss. Had I not booked my stop loss, look at this. How big is the candle is this? So that is why you should take your stop loss. The moment you see you are wrong, book your stop loss and close the trade. My profitable trade turned into losing trade. But what you learn from today's live trading is I followed the system, right? I followed my rule of 1:2 risk reward. I did not book my profit when I was in profit of around 20,000. I still waited because I wanted to wait for 1:2 risk. So that is what trading is. Entry was here. Stop loss was here below the 20 MA. Take profit. I was thinking that either I will take my profit at the next pivot or 2R. I was already in profit of around 20,000 when it reached near the place where it reversed from, but I didn't take my profit. I waited for next pivot, but it didn't work and stop loss hit, which was below the 28. I was telling you that once this level is broken, I will take my stop loss. If this level doesn't hold, I'll take my stop loss. And I took my stop loss once that level was broken. And after that, you can see that it went all the way till here. Had I not taken my stop loss, just like novice traders, how they keep fighting with the market, they don't take stop loss, hoping that it will reverse again. Just look at this, how big my loss would have been. I took my stop loss even before hitting my stop loss. That is 1% of my capital. I was saying that 1% of my capital is 20,000. So I did not wait for it to hit 20,000. I just took my stop loss the moment I realized that I am wrong. So that is what, don't fight with the market. Once you are wrong, you are out. Okay. Once you are wrong, you are out. If you don't take your stop loss, you sit in that trade thinking that again, your position will turn into profitable. You have to be ready to take this much loss. So that is why risk reward is important in trading. Lose small when you are wrong, win big when you are right. So that's it about my first trade of the day. Profitable trade turned into losing trade. You have seen that already I was in profit of more than 20,000 at one point of time, but I did not book my profit. I was telling you that I will follow 1:2 risk reward. Either it should hit my profit target or it should hit my stop loss. My stop loss was 1% of my capital, which is around 20,000, and my reward was 2% of my capital, which was around 40,000. I was in 1:1 risk reward, but I did not book my profit, and finally my stop loss hit. What you can learn from today's trade is, irrespective of your profit or your stop loss, you should follow your system. You should follow the rule. Rule is 1:2 risk reward. If you kept your stop loss at 50 points and your reward should be double of that. If your stop loss is 25 points, your reward should be double of that. That is 50 points. That is called following the risk reward. So I'm not worried that my stop loss hit, neither I'm sad that my stop loss hit, but I'm happy that I followed the system. I followed the rule. You should feel happy that you follow the rule. You did not deviate from the rule. So that is what required in trading to become a disciplined trader. Today my stop loss would have hit, but it will not be same. Maybe I'll take one more trade in the late in the afternoon if I see any good setup. Maybe I'll recover my loss in the second trade. Or tomorrow market opens again and again I take the trade and I can make the profit. What is the second thing you can learn from today's live trading? Second thing is that stop loss is part of trading. There is no system, there is no strategy in this world where stop loss doesn't hit. So don't run behind any strategies. If somebody tells you that take my system, take my strategy, and every day you make profit, that is not possible. You have seen that how nicely I made analysis, where is the support, where is the resistance, and it worked exactly like that, right? Where I said it is likely to act as support, it acted as support. Where I said resistance, where is the breakout, everything happened as per my analysis. Still my trade finally failed. So that is why there is nothing like 100% foolproof method in trading. Stop loss can hit anytime. So that is why be grace enough to take your stop loss. That is why they say you should be a good loser to become a good trader. And finally, trade like a robot, trade like a machine. That means trade without any emotions. You have not seen any emotion while trading, right? Even though at one point of time I was in profit of more than 20,000, but I did not book my profit. I was telling you that my risk is 20,000, so reward should be double of it. So I was waiting for at least 40,000 of profit, but it didn't happen and it reversed. That is fine. But I followed the risk reward. I did not bring my emotion. I did not get excited that already I'm in 20,000 profit. Let me take this profit immediately, right? I followed the system. I followed the rule. That is what can make you a successful trader. If you follow the rule, 1:2 risk reward in every trade, whether profit target hits or stop loss hits, that is what required in trading. That is why trading is the most difficult profession, because people don't have that emotional control to follow the risk reward. The moment they see profit, they book the profit too early. The moment they see that trade is going wrong, they don't book their loss. They sit in the hope. thinking that it will again go in my direction and again I'll make profit, only to see that loss becomes bigger and bigger. So focus on the risk, focus on your stop loss, profit will take care on its own. So that's it about live trading video in Nifty today. If you are interested to learn price action, like how I analyze the chart in Nifty Bank Nifty, if you want to learn my 15 patterns and strategies, on what basis I take the trade, if you are interested to learn more about the price action in Nifty Bank Nifty, you can join my day trading webinar. Link below this video in the description section. If you are into full-time job, you think that day trading is difficult for you, you want to focus on swing trading, then even I have swing trading course, that also link you can see below this video in the description section. And if you are interested to join my YouTube membership, you can click the join button below and you can become YouTube member. Every weekend on every Sunday, you will see Monday to Friday Nifty Bank Nifty chart analysis. Just like how I done analysis here, similar way I will do analysis from Monday to Friday in Nifty and Bank Nifty and posted for YouTube members. So if you are interested, you can click the join button below and you can become a YouTube member. So that's it guys about today's live trading. Thanks and take care.